Garvin Industries now manufactures a weatherproof ceiling fan box for heavy fixtures or ceiling fans that are installed outdoors in gazebos, porches, or other outdoor living areas. This particular box has completely sealed knockouts that are re-hit with the surface of the box and a heavy powder-coated finish that creates a weather-tight or a vapor-tight seal. In order to demonstrate this fact, I have here some dry Kleenex. I'm going to put it inside of the box and then put a gasketed cover on and submerge it in this 5-gallon pail of water. Are we okay with the sound?
Yeah.
Still okay with the sound?
Yeah, I hear you fine.
You can deaden out the trucks rolling by?
This has a cone.
All right.
Think of an invisible cone coming right at you.
So I have here Kleenex. I'll shove it inside the box. And a gasketed 4-inch Octagon cover, which I'll screw tightly on this box to prove that all of the exterior portions of the box are virtually watertight. Get the cover on nice and tight. Okay, now we have the gasketed cover on that's sealing the top edge of the box, but the rest of the box will be exposed to the elements. We'll submerge it in the water for 60 seconds.
No bubbles, good sign.
Obviously, in most installations, a ceiling fan box is never going to be exposed directly to rain. It's going to be covered with a gazebo. It's going to be covered with some type of porch or roof area. But it is important in areas that have really high humidity that a weatherproof fan box is available for purchase. This box comes in 1.5 inch and 2 1/8 inch deep styles and has a side mounting bracket, or it comes without a bracket for a direct flush mount stud to the top of the ceiling. That's about 30 seconds. We'll give it 30 more seconds. As you can see, there aren't any air bubbles or anything that are leaking out from the box.
That's impressive.
All right, we'll give it about 15 more seconds. I'll go ahead and pull it out of there. Go ahead and dry it off good. Dry off my hands. And the Kleenex inside the box should still be dry. Kleenex is totally dry.
What's the product number and Garvin?
Garvin Industries, part number 54171, fan, weatherproof, WP. For these and other great products, be sure to visit us online at garvinindustries.com.